Welcome back to Tech Finance Talks. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics right now, how AI tools can actually help you make money in 2025. Now listen carefully, this isn't just another list of apps. I'll show you real tools that people are already using to build side hustles, grow businesses, and even replace their 9-to-5 income. Here's the lineup. 1. ChatGPT 2. Copy.ai 3, 4, Jasper AI 5, Trade Ideas AI. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to combine these tools for maximum income. So grab a notebook because this might just be the roadmap you need for your financial growth in 2025. Tool 1. ChatGPT 4 minutes. Let's start with the king of AI tools, ChatGPT. This tool is more than just a chatbot. Think of it as your personal assistant that never sleeps. How can you? Businesses need constant posts. You can charge $200 to $500 monthly for managing their captions and ad copy. Copy.ai generates 30 captions in one click. Email marketing, a single sales email marketing. A single sales email sequence can cost $100 to $500. Imagine writing 5 sequences a month. That's up to $2,500. At copywriting, small businesses struggle with Facebook and Google ads. You can deliver professional ad copy using copy.ai in minutes. Pros and cons. Pro, saves time, produces high-quality drafts. Con, requires human editing to avoid sounding robotic. Engagement question. Do you think AI will replace human copywriters or just make them more productive? Tool 3. Pictory 3.5 minutes. Now let's talk about video creation. Pictory AI. This tool takes your script or article and automatically creates a video with stock footage, subtitles. Make money with it? Freelancing, go to Fiverr or Upwork, search for blog writing, product descriptions, or even YouTube script writing. You'll find thousands of gigs charging anywhere from $20 to $100 per task. ChatGPT can create these drafts in minutes. Imagine completing 5 orders a week at $50 each. That's $1,000 a month. YouTube scripts. Content creators are always short on time. Offering AI-generated script writing services could easily bring in $500 to $2,000 per month. Stock research. ChatGPT can summarize complex financial reports, earnings calls, and balance sheets. If you package this into a stock research report service, investors and finance bloggers would gladly pay for it. Pro tips. Don't just copy-paste AI output. Edit, polish, and personalize it. That's how you stand out from competitors. Engagement question. If Jasper can write long-form content that ranks on Google, each blog post can be sold for $50 to $150. Content for businesses. Startups always need landing pages. Would you trust an AI-written blog, or do you still prefer human writers? Tool 5. Trade Ideas AI, 3.5 minutes. Finally, let's cover the world of investing with Trade Ideas AI. This platform uses artificial intelligence to scan thousands of stocks in real time and highlight potential trading opportunities. How to profit, day trading. Assistance. Traders spend hours searching for good setups. Trade Ideas does this instantly, showing opportunities you might miss. Investment research services. You could use this tool to prepare stock reports and sell them to investors. Personal use. Even if you don't sell services, just applying its signals to your own trading could increase profits significantly. Warning: stock trading is risky. Use this as a support tool, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Always manage your risk. Engagement question. Do you think AI will outperform human traders in the next 5 years? Bonus tip, 2 minutes. Now here's the real hack. Combine these tools. For example, use ChatGPT to create a blog script. Use Jasper to optimize it for SEO. Turn it into a YouTube video using Pictory. Promote the video with